Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have XIAOMI 11 Lite and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Start of opening calendar application. We must find it in our smartphone. Maybe there. Open calendar and tap on the day when we want to add our event. We can change view for a month and tap on it, maybe 80, and there this plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event. When you add it, there we can set this event as what is it, about our family, friends, work or something like that. There we can set when event starts and finish, in which time, and or by the switch we can turn on, it will be all day event. Repeat of that if we need it, and we can make custom repeat. We can add this people event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts, add location of that, notification if we need it, and we can also add custom notification and more than one. We can change color about our notification to this event. There we can add description and attachment. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything. Press save and we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.